So it makes me so happy when cases do work and all of these years and years of, policy work that myself and many people are doing, actually helps individuals. That's the whole point. And it is intergenerational, like I always say family court is an opportunity to break the cycle of intergenerational violence because most of the violence, domestic violence, it stays behind closed doors. It doesn't reach the light of day. It doesn't get to the court. The majority of it sadly stays behind closed doors. And family court is a moment where you have usually a safe, protective parent trying their hardest to break the intergenerational harm. And the courts and the court culture and the statutes and all of the things are trying to press back and keep you in it. And with a pro contact culture and the statutes, the way they've been developed over the last 50 years, it's all about, forcing contact with your children back with your dangerous abusive ex. And it's totally unnecessary. We're in modern times, we are not in the Stone Ages. We have the research now. We know how harmful it is to children to be in abuse and to be exposed to it. We know how perpetrators oftentimes switch their abuse once the adult partner leaves. They switch it to the children, the next most vulnerable individual that they can get contact with through the courts. Like, we know these things in research. Why are the courts and the statutes so behind? We're working to try to change that, working to try to get all of the things that we know from the research now about child maltreatment, perpetrator behavior, coercive control, all these things. We're trying to get them in the law, in statute, so that in real terms, all of your cases, can be better or less horrible. You can keep your kids safer and they can develop in a healthy way and have a happy childhood. Like, that's all, it's the like most basic thing everybody wants.